gas light just came on, and we're like, literally, I don't even know how many feet up in the air on this mountain road.
Maybe we could ask them if they have gas nearby.
The gas light just came on, and we're at the like top of the mountain, about to be at this volcano.
Wow. For 22 miles?
Look at cheese.
Oh gosh.
They have 22 miles left?
Yeah, we can't make it up there.
Another 11 miles.
That's why I asked to risk going up. It's another.
I'm rolling down, I'll make it down.
Now we're going down the mountain.
99 miles per gallon.
Please roll.
Yeah, because there was no way. We still have to go up another 3,000
There you
feet.
go.
Once we
They
got
have
to the
enough
top.
gas, right?
Whoa.
No, they don't want to go. They're coming back down.
Yeah.
Because they didn't think it was going to be this.